is a few things, right? Really quickly. Um, First, we want to say why videos are really the best format as of today to communicate anything that you want to communicate on the internet, right? Whether it is social media or otherwise. Um, that's the first thing we want to establish. The second thing we want to establish is, so if that is the case, why everybody is not creating videos, right? If there is a study which says, videos are nearly 1,000 times more effective than text or pictures, right? For various reasons. In fact, um, you know, um, there's a lot of interesting things that I can probably share with you guys, at a later time. But first, we want to say why videos are effective. Number one. Second, then if it is so effective, why nearly 99% of the people who are producing content, they don't produce videos, right? Why is that? Why is that if video is so good? Why is that everybody not doing it, right? Typically, it is because um, uh, typically it is because it's hard to do it, and it takes longer to do it. It costs money to do it, etc., etc. But we want to prove today that that's not the case. You could create the most beautiful video under 5 minutes. Then that's the second point. The third point is there are three main ways. Look, again, I want to just make it clear. I'm not some kind of a video expert, but this is simply from my experience, right? There are three ways in which I've seen, videos are being made. I want to show you all the three different ways, and I want to take your feedback as to which way you think is the best, right? That's the third point. And the fourth point is, we want to actually do a video right now, just in front of you guys, so that you guys really get the idea, right? That's the fourth one. And the fifth one is we want to give every one of you homework so that when we meet next week or the week after, uh, I want every one of you to be able to create a video against a story that you want to tell, right? So these are the five things that we want to get it done today. Is there anything else that you would like to cover today? We've got approximately an hour and 90 minutes we have. I'll just pause here. Ashma, Shabnam, Dr. Progress, or even anybody, Shahida, Sindhuja. If you guys want to, challenge, or if you want to add something, please, you can talk now. I have pretty much muted everybody except for Farooq. So if anybody is talking, you need to unmute yourself. So Farooq, from your point of view, this is fine, right? What happened to Farooq? Farooq, you're also muted.
Okay, thank you, Anis Bhai, for the introductions and the topics we are covering today. I think what you have discussed is okay with me, and I don't have anything to add, but I'm curious to learn
Yeah,
today.
yeah. See, yeah, Farooq, since we did a lot of introductions last time, I don't want to go through every single one of the people and, introduce, and, that's fine. Let's get started today. And then, if anybody, we will get to know each other, I want to get to the action rather than, okay. So, like I told you, right, there are really, amazing ways to tell videos, and it is so for example, if I just told you, video versus text in social media, right? I hope you guys can see my screen, right? If anybody can't see, shout. So if you I just did a simple search in Google, and look at the result I got. Videos get 1,200% more shares than text and images combined. It's a lot of impact, right? It's a huge impact. It's not like 10 times or 100 times. It's 1,200 percent more impact, right? So it is definitely one of the best ways to do this. Just give me 1 second. Somebody is waiting outside. I don't know why people keep getting dropped. Okay, cool. Back. So it is a very very hardcore way. I was so interested in creating videos from like I said, right, there are three big types of videos that I have seen. I want to show you all the videos that are being created by the World Economic Forum, because this is one of the number one organizations that I follow, whose videos are extremely impactful, right? So I thought, I'll just show you, just have a look at this video, right? I'll just remove the voice, because I think I don't know how to do, remove the voice, but there is no voice in these videos. It's all, some picture, and there is this text that is going on. Okay, there is another research that I will anyway tell you, that in most of the videos, right, people don't turn on the audio. They might be on a flight, or they could be on a meeting, they could be multitasking. So there is a huge number, almost 70 to 90% of the videos are watched in silent mode, right? So the World Economic Forum guys have figured out not to waste time, recording voice. Okay. So this is the first type of video. I said there are three types of videos. This is the first type of videos that are extremely impactful. Let me just play this. Just see how it goes. I don't want to play the whole video, but do you get the sense, Farooq, what I'm trying, I mean, I'm not asking everybody, so, just so that, at least I'm talking to you, Farooq. Do you get a sense of this video? It's a simple video. There is a set of, stories, and there is a relevant background video, right? This is the first. This is the first type of video. Salimullah, I'm going to mute you so that there's a lot of noise coming. But if you want to talk, of course, you can just unmute yourself and talk. Right. So quickly, so this is the first kind of video, right? And Shahida, I'm going to mute you as well. I'm sorry, because there's a lot of background noise. But again, if you want to talk, please unmute yourself. Okay, cool. So, so this is the first type of video, right? It is the most effective. This is again, maybe I'm prejudiced. Maybe I really like the World Economic Forum and their storytelling. In my opinion, this is the most thing, and it's the most easy to create also. So, I mean, this is the first type of video, right? The second type of video I want to show you is also very interesting. Is the video that Bill Gates Foundation creates for talking about their story. So, for example, this is the one that I'm going to play, which is heroes in the field. It talks about Dr. Firdausi Qadri from Bangladesh, who's an immunologist. Just have a look at the video. See, again, don't worry about the story itself. We'll come to the story, but just look at the format of the video.
There's a true hero in the field, Dr. Firdausi Qadri, who's made a massive impact on our understanding of cholera and how to eliminate it.
Bangladesh is a densely populated country, 170 million people living very closely together. It's very difficult to have proper water and proper sanitation. Cholera is a waterborne disease. Cholera is highly transmissible. Coming to the hospital, patients will have severe dehydration, sunken eyes, and rice-watery stool. You can have half your body weight lost in a matter of hours. And so without water, you will die. I've been working on cholera for a long time. You can have very good water, sanitation, education, good homes.
Okay. I don't want to, it's amazing. I love seeing this, video again and again. But let me get back to you. So this is the second type of video, right? Where you see the slight difference, right? The first one also had all these text coming up. It is also having here. But this one has voice as well, right? It has voice. Just one second. There is a Zunaid coming in from again. Yeah, cool. So the first video we saw was, where is the first video? Let me just show you. So the first video was this. There is no voice. Zunaid, I've muted you just in case if you want to talk, please unmute yourself. Okay, so the first kind of video we saw was like this, right? Simple, straightforward, no voice. But so this one unable to work and forced to rely on aid, right? This is something that somebody has designed and created. This is not a translation. For example, when we saw this video, the Bill Gates video, right? This is a translation. YouTube is basically translating the words and putting it over here.
Because people won't have cholera.
Like people won't have cholera.
Until that happens.
But the main thing is Dr. Firdausi and Bill Gates are talking in this video, right? They are talking in this video, and it is so this is if I just compare things, right? The first video that you saw, which the World Economic Forum did, this might it should have taken them maybe I don't know, like 5-6 hours to create. The second video that you saw, the Bill Gates video, it should have taken them at least a month to create it. Multiple locations, multiple shooting, dialogue, people wrote it, multiple takes, etc., etc. You guys will know this better than me because you're the film school. I'm just a novice. That's the second type of video. The third type of video, and I'll send the links in our WhatsApp channel to everybody so that don't worry about figuring it out anything right now, so that you'll know. The third type of video is again my favorite. It is basically the video where somebody just stands up somewhere and talks in TED. TED Talks are so famous, right? Just have a look at this one very quickly.
When I was in high school, 17, I graduated from high school in Decatur, Georgia, as valedictorian of my high school. Very proud of myself. I was from a low-income community. I'd grown up in Mississippi. We'd moved from Mississippi to Georgia so my parents could pursue their degrees as United Methodist ministers. We were poor, but they didn't think we were poor enough, so they were going for permanent poverty.
Right. So this is the, the ultimate in my view. There is no visual aid. There is nothing, right? If you see this video, there is really nothing except for a human being just standing up and, just telling her story. This is, in my view, the most difficult. It is, but if you could do this, if you could talk like Stacey Abrams, then there is nothing like it, right? Somehow this format of a video where somebody just stands up, you don't need to be a huge orator, or you don't have to be but if you have a great story to tell, and if you could tell that story, then this is beats every other format that's before whatever I showed you, right? But in my view, this is also the most difficult one. It's not because of how much time you need to prepare or anything. In this video, which I will send it to you, she's telling her life story, and her life story is so powerful that she's one of the most famous. She was considered as a candidate, as a possible candidate for the vice president candidate in the United States. Of course, she didn't get it. It was someone else, but she was considered. So you should hear the speech or her talk. It's quite powerful. So what I just told you about is three kinds of videos. One is something that you can create within the next half an hour, 45 minutes, or 4-5 hours, or within a day. And those videos are the ones which are quite famous by the World Economic Forum. The second type of video is the one that Bill Gates is doing, and the third type of video is, and I'm sure there are many more types, right? I don't want to confuse you guys. But what we are going to do today is to just simply get on to the job and create such videos. So this is the one that we are going to focus on today. And also, I want to keep a caveat. Okay, there is like for to create a very compelling visual story. There are two parts to it, right? You have to sit with a pen and paper and imagine the story itself and write down the story itself in a particular way. In my view, that's in terms of importance, that is almost 90% important. But we are not going to even touch that today, right? Writing the story with a piece of pen and paper. But that is usually what is the most important thing for a video, actually, where you sit with a pen and paper and just write the story, right? But we're not going to talk about it today. There is a 10% thing, which is simply taking whatever is there and creating the video, which is what we're going to do today. And why am I not going to do the most important 90% and go for the 10%? Because one of the things I've learned over the last 2 years is teach people how to get the job done. That has worked like a miracle for me, right? Instead of trying to create a Steven Spielberg from each one of you, if we can try and create somebody who can just in the next 2 hours learn how to create a video and start creating videos, even if that person does not know how to tell a story, or even if that person does not know how to create the most beautiful structure or voice, or there are many nuances, right? It's important to learn how to do it immediately, right? And that's what I'm going to do right now. But we'll try to learn the remaining 90%, in the coming stages. So I'll pause here. I want to just do anybody have any questions? Just a quick summary for people who have joined late, really quickly. Sorry, if I'm repeating myself, but there are 3 types of so first, videos are extremely powerful. We have seen that 1,300% more impact. There are 3 ways, at least of type of video. The first type of video is this, music on the background, the correct visual is running, and then there is a huge bold text being written here. The second type of video is like this, where the story is there and the voice is there. In these video, if you ask me, the Bill Gates video, the hero of this video is voice, right? Because I think it's important to differentiate. In the previous one that I showed here, the hero of this video is the visual which is running behind, but more importantly, the text that is right in front of you. I think the text, I would give it the position of the number 1 spot. The number 1 spot goes to the text in this video. The number 1 spot goes to the voice in this video, the Bill Gates video, and the last one here, I think it is this is I don't know what to say about this video, but this is the almost like a million-year-old thing, right? We love to hear stories from another human being, especially if it is their story, their own personal story. There is no visuals, there is no video playing behind her, there is no slide deck, there is no PPT, PowerPoint, just her voice and her self, just telling her story. And in my view, there is nothing to compete with this. But the problem is, many of us can't do what she's doing. Many of us, even if we have the most beautiful stories to tell, I don't think we can pull off the way she pulls it off, right? I mean, not to discourage anybody, but that's what I think. It's very, very hard to tell the human story the way, but even though it is hard, it is the most, interesting way to tell the story. So this is the preamble. Let's get to any questions so far. Let me just quickly see if any questions so far. All right. Just one quick thing. Did you guys? So this is the software that we are going to use to create a video. It's called Lumen 5. I'm recording this whole thing, so I will send it out to all of you, so you don't have to worry about remembering the name and exactly. So lumen5.com is a software that we are using. I've already sent you guys a link last week itself, so I hope you guys have done something about it. But it's quite powerful. If you I don't know whether we should show you, but most of the videos that you might have already seen in our website is created using Lumen 5, so you should get an idea. How do we create this video? Let me just quickly walk you through it. So it's quite simple. There is a button, big blue new video. Just click on that button, new video. It's going to ask you, how do you want to make your video, right? Do you have a blog that you want to convert into a video? This is the simplest kind of a thing, right? For example, I was going to just Farooq, just for this example, do you have any sort of a story that you have in mind that we can create into a video? Like any particular thing that you want to take? Because I haven't prepared for this session. I didn't come with an existing story. I want to just take a story and I want to show you how to make the story into a video right now. That story can be anything.
Yeah. Last night I tried to make a video on Lumen 5. We have a song. It's a popular song. It's related to refugees. So I tried to make a video with that song. So I couldn't do it because Lumen 5 used to be working on a computer, I think, rather than on mobile. Is very difficult to do.
No, yeah. You are absolutely right. Yes, we will solve that problem, Farooq. But yes, Lumen 5 is something that you have to do it in the computer, in the laptop or computer. Yes, it is not the same, when you try to do it you can, but you're going to find it really, really difficult, right? So you need to do it in a computer. That's correct, Farooq. But in terms of a story, right, you can simply, let's say, for example, you have the story, Rohingya conference pledges to find solution to the crisis. This is a story, right? And then you have all these, things. You can simply, just Control C the story, or you can simply, forget about copy the story. You can take the URL of the story, right? Come to Lumen 5, right? And then, just copy paste that URL of your blog or the story that you want to do, and simply say go, right? Then it asks you to choose a format, right? Typically, let's assume that we are trying to post on Twitter or Facebook. Usually, we like to do this as a news feed. The software limits you here itself. If you are going to do it on Facebook, you can't do more than 60 seconds, right? So if you click here, it will limit you to 60 seconds. Same with Instagram, it's 60 seconds limit. Or if you do it as an IGTV, it is 120 seconds. If you do it on Twitter, it is 2 minutes, 20 seconds, 140. I always do it for Twitter. But because it's got the longest thing, right? 140, or YouTube is more than that. It's 3 minutes, right? But it's always good to do a story that is around. There is a reason why Facebook and all these guys keep the story length around 60 seconds. 60 seconds is a brilliant way to tell a story within a minute, right? So let me just say take the Facebook thing, right? I choose Facebook. There are these 9 different formats to tell a story. Again, it's a preference. I don't care really which one, but just choose anything. You can keep playing with this. So what is doing now is it is picking up that blog that you just now gave it as an input and creating a 60-second video for you. You might ask me, if it creates everything, then what am I supposed to do, right? So if you look at this, right, it's already created a video. I actually haven't done anything. I haven't touched anything, right? It's actually, so I gave the story. The story has come here, right, on my left-hand side. On my right-hand side is the the thing, the entire the AI algorithm, the artificial intelligence algorithm has picked up the most important things in this particular story and I have created it, right? Now you just take a look at it. There is too many words here, so you can split them into multiple slides, etc., etc. Or rather, if you don't care, you don't have time. You have exactly, 5 minutes, and then you want to get out of, the thing, right? You can simply just publish it, and that's it. In less than, I don't even think it's 5 minutes. It's less than 2 minutes. You can take an article or a topic or a problem or something that you have seen, create a story and a video, publish it, post it on social media, and get going. Less than 5 minutes. There is no creativity. There is no your own intelligence. Nothing. So this is the most easiest form of thing. In fact, if you go another level, you can even automatically create these stories without anybody involved in the picture. But that is not what we are trying to learn today, right? If everything is being done by someone else, AI or something, then what are we here for? 99.9% of the time, I never do this. Whatever I've just shown you, I never do this because I want to create my videos, right? But I simply taught you this because it's not bad. See, if I just let me show you this, okay? Just quickly show you. So I just clicked on preview. Did you see this? I mean, like, without
Awesome.
Salim, you were trying to say something? Really, I don't know. Okay. So if you look at this video, Farooq and team, it's still good. It's not bad, even though I don't do this at all 99.9% of the time. We just took a simple article. Where is the article? This was the article, right? We copied the URL of the article. We pasted the URL of the article. We choose, whether we're going to do it on Facebook or Twitter, 60 seconds, right? I mean, if I had chosen Twitter, the same video would have been more than 2 minutes. But since I chose Facebook, this video is under 1 minute. And you have a video already. So less than a minute, you have a video already, right? So this is, I don't recommend that you do this, but this is something that, so let me go back, right? Quickly, go back to the original thing. So this is one way, and honestly, we can stop the meeting right now, and you should be able to go use the software, create your videos for every one of your stories in the simplest way that I've taught you. This is like, still you would be effective than just posting a few lines of text or putting a picture. This is the second way of doing it. I'm just trying to show you the second way. Use your script. This is my favorite way. Use your story. You remember I told you, whenever you want to tell a story, sit down and write it down. Right? That's the way to tell the story, right? And this is what I use 99% of the time, right? And what is the story you want to tell? It's really simple. Don't try to make this into a mega, anything. Let me just, imagine a story. Farooq, you and your school, right? You guys did a video for that donor conference, isn't it? Just 2 days ago. You have sent me that video.
Yes.
That's a phenomenal video, by the way. Really good. So donor conference 2020. Let me just yeah. I'm going to mute your profile, because there's a lot of noise. Okay. So remarks at the donor conference on sustaining the, so this was the, this was conference for which you guys did the video, and it was played over there, right? Let's say you want to create a video that tells a story of what happened in the conference. Yeah, Farooq, is that a good thing to do? I mean, like, you created something and you fed into the conference. The conference happened on the 22nd of October, right? A lot of people, big guys came together, did a lot of big things, and they have got a $500 million pledge so far. That's what I say. Their target was $1 billion of pledge, but I think they got around $500 million, right? So that story is what is look at this, right? Thank you, Carol, and thanks for your incredible leadership. That is the story they're trying to tell here, correct? But I'll tell you, Farooq, okay, less than 100 people would have read the story. Okay, so let's say I can do this, right? I can just take the story like this. Okay, he has done something. Okay, yeah, you can. That is another good thing actually. Yeah, thanks, Ashma. See, you can do one thing. What Ashma is saying here is, if you have any questions, right? If you open the chat channel, you can type it. That will be really better, because I think when you're trying to ask a question by unmuting yourself, there is a lot of sound. So thanks, Ashma, for that. You can. So one of the things we can do is, take this story and then, convert that into a video, right? But let's not do that first. What we typically do, we take this video, go here, tweet, and then, just simply put the, something like this. What a great, can you guys see my screen? What a great conference. We did a video for this conference, etc., etc. It has created amazing impact. Yeah, it has created an amazing impact. So this, you can post this, right, Farooq? It's a simple thing, very simple. This is what 90% of the people do, because it's really easy. Get the message out. Conference happened, $500 million committed. Somebody is talking about it. You did your part by posting this simple message. But what I'm saying is, instead of doing this, right, you could tell a video story, and how do we do that? Let's go back. You can actually, I don't know. Okay, so you can, like I said, right, there is no one correct way or the wrong way. You can take your notepad. Let me just take my notepad. Forget about all this, fancy software, right? Just take your notepad and write the story, right? The story that you want to write. So, okay, leaders from US, UK, and Europe got together, right, to discuss the crisis of Rohingya. It's literally this, I'm telling you, this is how I write my story. That's it. Just open a notepad and write your story. What is the story you want to tell? Leaders from all the countries got together to discuss this. And then, obviously you can pick up some good stuff from here, whatever is here. But you have to be really careful. It has to be really small and simple. Do not try to copy this whole thing and paste it over there. It just doesn't work, right? Try to read what they're saying. They're saying today's conference represents an important opportunity for all of us to deliver on those discussions, right? So basically, he's saying there is a lot of talk, so you can say discuss the crisis of Rohingya. For over 5 years, there has been lots of talk, right? This conference represent, this is a good punchy statement, so I'm going to just take it and put it out here. Don't say today, so I say this conference, or this also, you can say the donors conference or whatever, right? Donors conference 2020 represent an important opportunity for all of us to deliver on those discussions. Basically, what he's saying is, guys, we have spoken a lot, let's act. In fact, that is a better way to actually say this instead of all this nonsense, such a long sentence. You can even say there's been lots of talk, but you have to be really careful about the sensitivity. So I'll just remain with this nice politically right statement, and then you go and see what else you can do. Right? There are currently 860,000 registered in Cox's Bazar. Right? Maybe this is a good statement you can put over here. So look, I'm not trying to create the perfect video here, but all I'm saying is this is how you create your story. Right? Just pick something, and then on behalf of, I'm proud to announce that company with the funding, there will be our total 2020 contribution will be including Bangladesh, Thailand, India, something like this. Let's say this is the closing statement. Okay. Right. It's all about some money. Okay, so that's it. Our story is done. Typically you start the story, you tell the context, then tell what happened, and tell what is the impact or the outcome that has come out of the story, right? So that's how. But again, look, I'm not teaching you guys how to tell the story itself. Maybe that we will do next time, but I'm teaching you how to just create a video just after you get out of this call, right? So I have created a story in a small simple notepad. Come here, I can copy paste my story. Whatever story I have created, I have just pasted it over here. Use a script, right? Leaders from US, UK, and done. Go. This time, let me pick up Twitter because I want to create a longer thing. I can create another theme. I don't have to always pick up the same theme, and that's it. Now my story will be created. What is happening right now is for each of the sentences that I wrote here, the artificial intelligence software is actually picking up the right visual background from the background. And again, I usually don't like any of these things that come from there, so I do my own thing. So this is the most important thing I'm teaching you. So what I do, as soon as it comes like this, I clear the board. I never keep it. I just clear it out. Right? I don't like any of these things that the artificial intelligence has chosen for me. So literally, I just delete all these things. I don't like it. I don't like it. No. I don't think I can delete the last one because I need to know. So the way I do this is my first slide or my first thing. So can you see the plus button here? Just click the plus button and it will just come over here, right? Leaders from US, UK, and Europe got together, right? So I need a visualization for this, right? So what I do, I go to the media here. Can you see the media here? The left-hand side, thing, media, and I go to the library, and then I want to search for a video that has all the leaders. So, for example, it has to be. We have to be careful. You have to be. So this is a good one, but it's actually got this crown on top of it, which means we need to pay money to use this video. So I'll not use this video. I'll just say UN leaders, right? It will be nice to have something like UN leaders. Just search for this. Yeah, this is I like this one. No, I don't like any of these background. This flag is good, but again, it's this is good, but this is not a video. Also, you can select. You don't want to photos, editorial, marketplace. You want only videos. Okay, so you can just put a round table because I remember seeing a round table. No, round table. I'm not liking any of these things. There's something I'm not doing right. No, political leaders. No, I don't like any of these things. Okay, just for the sake of I mean, this you need to really spend some time to get this right, but but let's pick up this one. You know, I would have preferred a thing where there is flags of many countries, you know, or where leaders are sitting around a table, and you know that would be my perfect visual for this particular starting slide, right? So I have got a slide and I've got my story here, right? I can simply preview this whole thing. I mean, it's not the best, you know, but okay, you know, or you can even, you know, choose one of these and then, you know, but anyway, that's not important, right? So you can put your visual, and I'm happy with this. Leaders from US and UK and Europe got together. So maybe 4 seconds, you know, it's important to determine, you know, how much time you want this video to run, right? I would go with 4 seconds, and I will see how yeah, that's it. So my first one is done. My second, then go back to the story to discuss the crisis of the Rohingyas. Add the plus button. I'll get rid of this, you know, this middle slide. It's something that I wanted to delete. I'm not sure whether I like this particular slide to discuss the plight of the Rohingyas. I would rather, you know, go back and I search for a video on Rohingya like this. Okay. I'm not sure whether I like any of the things. So I can actually put refugee camp or camps or something like that. I'll get a lot of, you know, videos, but I mean, look, it's up to, you know, I mean, we can, you know, we can choose any video, right? You know, spend more time. I think this is the most important thing. You need to spend a good 5 to 10 minutes on each of these slides, you know, just each of, you know, because it's really important to choose the right visual for the right message. I think that's the most important thing, right? You know, and you get better and better and better, you know, with that, right? So that's the second slide, right? That for over 5 years, there's been a lot of talk. That's my third one. Let's see. While I'm doing this, because it's only a demo, it's really easy for you guys to also ask any questions. You know, do you have any questions so far, you know, or anything that you guys are thinking? Is it, first of all, easy to, you know, follow whatever I'm saying so far?
Yeah, thank you for showing us the Lumen 5 video and its tutorial. For me, I cannot see what you are doing. Just I can see you and hearing you. But yeah, there was a screen you shared, but now I cannot see the screen.
Okay, okay, just give me 1 second.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Now you're able to see?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, so you know, can you see? So what I've done, right? So what I've done, I'll just repeat it. So this is the place where I went and opened a notepad and wrote the story. Can you see this one? The story that I wrote. Leaders from yeah. So this is how I started. Okay, the first video that I showed you was very simple. I just took a you know, a blog or a huge, you know, thing. I converted that directly to a video under a minute. That's the easy one. The second video I'm trying to show you is, you know, write your story like this, one bullet point at a time, right? You know, this is the first point, second point, third point, fourth, like that, you know, all these points. Then copy these bullet points, come over here. This is the storyboard. Just paste the whole thing right over here into the story. And then take each bullet which you have pasted here, right? And you know, create the visual for it. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Say, for example, the third point is here, right? So press the plus button here. You know, put the story over here. For over 5 years, there has been lots of talk, right? Now, you have to choose the media for this one. So I want to show, you know, either I can show time running, or I can show lots of talk. One of these two things, you know, is good. So, for example, you can, you know, show something like, wait, some kind of a time running fast. Yeah, something like this. I mean, I'm not saying, this has to be the thing. See, look, for 5 years, there has been a lots of talk. You guys with me, Farooq? So it's really simple, right? I just showed time and said, it's taking a long time for you guys and you're just talking. Okay, that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is, lots of talk, basically, and less action. So you can put lots of talk. Right? I'm just making it so simple that you should be able to and I'm not getting good video, so I'll just go with time, right? So that's my third slide. Go back to the story. What's my fourth one? Donors conference, important opportunity. Just looks like somebody is okay. The file has come back. Okay, cool. Yeah, I've just let you in. Okay. So this is the fourth one. No, it presents an important opportunity. So again, go back to the media. Just search for something, right? A conference, right? Maybe you can just put a conference, something like that, and or something like this, right? No, it depends on how you want to do it. So you can put this one, an important opportunity, or you can even take one of the pictures from here. Say for example, let's say there are some nice pictures. So for example, this is the picture that people have used. Okay, so you can just say you can download this image, save this image, like this. Let's say Rohingya image. Because all I'm saying is you don't need to just do videos. You can also use pictures. This is a very relevant picture, and this is the same picture that they have also used in the conference website. So I just downloaded this picture. You come here, and then I can use that picture. So for example, come to upload. This is where you upload stuff, upload images and thing. Drag and drop the files. We just downloaded the image here. So it is coming here. You always add the credit. The credit of this image should go to UN because it came from UN.org. So give the credit to the UN guys. Where are we? Just give me 1 second. Yeah. So UN.org. So because we are using someone else's picture, so it's really important that we it's very important that we give the credit to them. UN.org, click this picture. So whenever we upload this picture, we say add credit and then upload. So that picture should be here. So what we can do, we were currently using this one. So instead of this, we can use this picture, right? Or let's use it in the story. Maybe there are currently 860,000 Rohingyas. So bring that below, and then go to the media. The picture that we have downloaded should be there in uploads, and drag and drop that over here, right? And then play it. Yeah. Back to the story. This is our last point. Bring the last point over here, right? And it's talking about a lot of money, etc., etc. So go to the media, and then simply, talk about money, or it can be anything, right? So, or aid, something like this. I always like this. Here, just one quick trick I'll teach you. It's a long sentence if you see, right? Our total contribution to this crisis, blah, blah, blah. It's not a long one. So what I typically try to do is, I try to add a subscene, okay, which means I split the slide into two, and then I will cut the sentence into, this is the first part of the sentence, and this is the second part of the sentence, and then I go, and then I make it into two slides, so that the pictures are clear. Right, and that's it. We've done. The final slide should be, you can say, created by Amar Film School. Or you can say something like this. Designed and produced now from something like this. You have your own you have your own logo, etc., and we'll put it over here, right? Which I'm sure you have somewhere. So we'll design that, right? So that's it. Now all you have to do is maybe you can do a preview of this, just to see how it looks like. Sorry, one more thing. You remember, Farooq, you talked about your own video, right? So sorry, your own music. So one other thing you can do, we have finished creating the video. You can actually upload your uploading your own music is going to be costing us money. So forget about it. See, there is a lot of these music videos, right? So many of these music is there. You can listen to them. This is what computer has actually picked up, but you can listen to others like Cooling Out, Tokyo Nights. There's so many videos. So all you need to do, if you want to select it, just simply select this one. That's it, right? There's nothing magical about it. Just select anything that you want to select. Okay, that's it. And once you have selected the music, you can also go and play around with the style and format and everything, like you again, right? But really don't worry about it. You can simply publish it, right? If you publish it, what it will do now is it will take this all these slides, all these stories that you have created, it will combine them all together into it will combine all of these into one single video, and then just give you a file, right, which you can download and do stuff, right? So this is pretty much what I want to tell you guys. I'm just going to come back. You take the file and you share the content, right? That's all there is to creating the video. So just summarizing very quickly, before we summarize, right, just take a look at the quality of this one, Farooq. Just see, this is the video that has now created, right? I know I might have taken 30 minutes, but you can create this video under 10 minutes, right? It's hardly anything. It's a big deal, actually. See, look at the quality of this. I hope you can see this. I'll pause here. Just a quick check from everybody, right? What do you guys think? Was it? I don't think I shared the video. Just give me one more second, guys. Sorry, I think I didn't share the desktop when I was showing the video. So the video that we just created just came here. Just one second. Yeah. Can you see the video, Farooq?
No, no.
Now?
No.
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 No. Okay, let me just.
Yeah.
Huh? You can?
Okay. Yeah.
So I'll pause it now. I'll come back. I want to see all you guys. Okay. Now, did you have a chance to have a look at what we've created?
Yeah, we saw your video and it's really very interesting video, and we hope try from our page and
Yeah.
try to make one. It's very helpful.
Yeah. No, I think,
And
what,
I have
yeah.
another idea. After completing this video, maybe we have a video editing software where we can put our own voices and we can add some more.
No, you don't need to, you don't need to do any video editing. Okay. So for example, if you want to, I didn't teach you guys all those things, right? But I taught you what is the basic. This is the most basic. Okay. So if you have done this, you can go back again. Let me show you, let me add my voice, quickly. So this is the thing, right? Look at this. How do I do this? Yeah, okay, ready? That's it. Leaders from US, UK, and Europe got together to discuss the crisis of the Rohingyas. For over 5 years, there has been a lot of talk. Donors Conference 2020 represents an important opportunity for all of us to deliver on those discussions. There are currently 860,000 Rohingya refugees registered by UNHCR in the camps across Cox's Bazar. Our total 2020 contribution to this crisis will now be more than 437 million, bringing the US total contribution since August 2017 to nearly 1.7 billion. A film done by the Oma Film School from Kutupalong refugee camp. Thank you. So that's it. Voices added. So what I did, is really simple. Okay.
To discuss the crisis of the Rohingyas. For over 5 years, there has been a lot of talk. Donors Conference 2020 represents an important opportunity for all of us to deliver on those discussions. There are currently 860,000 Rohingya refugees registered by UNHCR in the camps across Cox's Bazar. Our total 2020 contribution to this crisis will now be more than 437 million, bringing the US total contribution since August 2017 to nearly 1.7 billion. A film done by the Oma Film.
That's it. I don't know whether, I showed you. Okay, so let me show it to you again. So basically, you wrote the story. Okay, Omar, Farooq, you wrote the story. This is the story, right? You took up a pen and a paper, you wrote the story. Okay, and the story is on the left-hand side. You can see that. Then what you did for each one of these bullet points, you created a visual. Okay, for the first slide you choose this, second slide you choose this, third slide you choose this, right? And then after finishing this whole thing, you choose your music. You have done that. And the last thing is edit recorded voiceover. So you can basically click this.
Leaders from US, UK, and Europe got together
and record your voice. Okay. So once you have done that, if you publish it, your recorded voice should also be there, just like I showed you right now. Yeah, back. What is that? So Zunaid, you planning to say something, Zunaid?
Yeah, it's so a wonderful example for us. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Maybe
no,
we can
the
focus some story like those.
yeah. See,
Yeah.
thanks, Zunaid. Yeah, Zunaid, my thing is the way you can thank me is when we meet, maybe next week or this thing. I want to see a video created by each one of you because it's very easy for me to, just say all these things and tell you to do all these things. But I want every one of you to create at least one video,
Oh yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah,
It's so easy for you because you have experience before. Uh, we are not so expert, but we have to take time. We will. It will take time, but
no,
we will try the best.
absolutely,
Thank you.
absolutely, absolutely.
Yes. Hello. Can you hear
Yes,
me?
yes, I can hear you, Kasim.
Yes. So this is a software. Just we need to write down our script and just apply on that software automatically. And you need to choose some pictures and just need to put in some music and video uh, in our we can record also as I saw as far I saw yes also we can put the our voices and also that is a very interesting software so that is very helpful I think
Yeah.
and
Kasim,
if you
yeah,
get the software maybe we maybe try and
yeah.
we can get the practical way and we can use and just it will be better to send me the software link and we can download. If it is free, it is expensive, then it will be provided by you. Then we can try it.
Yeah. Kasim, everything is free. Whatever I'm showing you, right, is all free. And,
Yes.
my current team in Kakuma refugee camp, okay, is using this and they are developing, one video at least a week. Every week they are doing one video.
Oh, of course.
Okay.
That is very
Uh,
great.
yeah, it's very, very easy. Initially it looks like, what is this? But once you start doing it, right, it is so easy. Okay.
Yeah.
Let
As far I
me.
see, just you sort out some sentences. That's
That's
the
it.
key point. Yeah, that's the key point that you want to tell. So just you write down, then apply it, then it is automatic. It is so easy. I think
So,
so far easy as I saw.
no,
I
but
watch.
Kasim, be careful. Don't believe in the automatic thing, okay? Because then your own thing has to come out, okay? So,
Yes.
yes, you can do it automatically. If you don't have any time to do it automatically. But if
Yes.
you have, let's say, 10 minutes with you,
Mhm.
then you choose the right video. Okay, you keep searching for the right video, or you keep searching for the right, image.
Yeah, image
Yeah, image or video,
and
and then
scene. Yeah,
or
yeah.
yeah, let's say you have your own video. For example, Farouk, the video that Farouk sent me, a lot of video was created in your own camera,
Yes.
right? So you can also take that video.
Yeah.
Okay, you can take that video and put it into this clip. Okay,
Yes.
so there is million videos done by some million photographers. Okay, let me just go back to the screen again. Okay, so I hope you guys can see my screen now. See, if you look at the media, right, there search millions of photos and videos.
Yeah.
Okay, you tell me a word that you want me to search. Say mask. Let's say COVID. Okay, that's a nice thing to search.
COVID.
COVID. You see, look at this.
Yeah.
People
So
already
many
search
coronavirus there.
so many videos, right? If you want to, so let's say you want your own video. Okay, let's say Farouk has just done some video. Just upload your video. Okay, just go
Yeah.
choose your video. So you have some video somewhere you have done. Just choose that video and upload it.
Yeah.
Okay, what I'm teaching you here is a way to orchestrate your story. First, okay,
Yes. Yes.
you're thinking this story is not good. this slide should not be number 2. Discuss रहेंगे. It has to be number 3. So what you have to do, you can say move down. Press this, and the story will change. Okay. This is maybe this needs to go up. Right. So what we are doing here is maybe between this slide and this slide, I want to put one more slide. So put one more slide. Okay. So what you are doing essentially is a simple thing, right? What you are doing is, now let me come back to my thing. Okay, guys, when you are not talking, I'm going to put you on mute. Okay, so that it's easy for all of us to listen. See, you have your own video. You have other photographers taking video across the world. Some Syrian crisis or some other crisis or some war or some COVID. Other photographers, thousands, millions of photographers are taking pictures all over the world. Then you have Google and other places where you can search for an image. Then your own photography. You are clicking pictures in the camp. You are clicking videos in the camp. Okay, all your stuff is also there. Okay, so what we are trying to do here is how to organize all those things. Your pictures, somebody else's pictures, all those things you're organizing and orchestrating, in a story. Your job, your main job, is to tell the story. Start. The hero of the story is here. The villain is here. This is how it's going to move. You have to just watch a few movies, to tell stories. Especially if you watch some Hindi movies, you'll really learn how to tell good stories. The main thing here is how to start a story, how to build it to a climax, bring some villain, hero, and then you create a climatic ending and then close. Right? It's the same thing whether you are directing a big Hollywood movie or directing a small 1-minute movie. It's the same format. Right? So I will leave you with this, but I want to talk to you, just for a few more minutes, before we close this call. Whatever we have spoken today, I have recorded it. I will create a video link and send it to all of you, so that if you have doubt, where did I click, to put a new slide, to upload a video, to do anything, you just go to the right spot and look at the video. Okay, so it's easy for you. Okay. But trust me, you have to do this. Even if you can only have one laptop, if you can use that one laptop or two laptops and try to create one movie at least, it will be really good. Because what I have told you, what I have told you is less than 10% of what you can do. Okay, because I didn't want to tell you all kinds of new things. Okay, you get started, then we will keep on making it slightly better and slightly better. That's the thing. Any yes, Zunaid?
Yeah, I sent a story in shade. Let's see this. Maybe it's example of a story, writing a story. Maybe we can make videos with this. Let's have a look first.
Yes, Zunaid, when you are ready with your story, right, just put it on the WhatsApp, okay, and always make it bullet point, point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, like that. Okay. If you watch some Hollywood director, right, he will say point 10 first. He will tell the ending of the movie first, and then he will tell the entire movie. If you watch a movie, right, sometimes people start with the starting and then go to the next. Sometimes they'll tell the ending in the first itself, right? So we can play with how to tell a story.
Yeah, first of all, we have to focus in a small detail, right?
Yeah.
Because we are not so expert. By after creating, when we will get more confidence, we will create some more great stories, great filming, like great videos as well.
Absolutely. Just one small point, Zunaid, and others also. Okay, I have muted everybody. So if you want to talk, please unmute yourself. Okay, number one, or raise your hand. I'll unmute. See, it's very important that your stories have your videos and your photos. It's very, very important. Okay. So
yeah, we have a lot of photo and video, but it's are a little different because we don't have much more skill before about photography and videography. That's why we have taken those pictures with normal method.
Yeah.
But first of all, we will start creating stories with those. After getting experience, and when we will take much videos, we will get much more photos. We will try to something much different as well.
Amazing. You got it right, Zunaid. What I'm trying to say is, have a right mixture of your photos and videos with the photos and videos that you can borrow from the million other people. Okay, so you have to have your photos and somebody else's photo, somebody else's video, your video. So it just comes one after the other. It makes it very beautiful. Don't try to make a video only with your photos. Okay. Or don't try to make a video only with other people's photo. Just mix them together. Okay. Just mix them together. Okay. Yeah.
When we will focus on the child who have been living here at camp since 2017, before some more than before, when we will focus on those as their story, we will use some picture, video, the while they have been playing, the while they was going to their school, the while they were with fathers. Father as
Amazing.
well as their family.
So
yeah,
Zana, yeah, go ahead.
First of all, we have to know some key issue about creating a story.
Yes, absolutely. So Zunaid, you are going to create, the story of a child, who were growing up in the Kutupalong refugee camp for the last 5 years or so, or 3 years or so. I also want to know from Farouk and Kasim and Tofail, and Abbasi, what they want to do. Is there an idea that you have in mind, like a small idea? It need not be like big and anything, but is there a story you have?
Yeah, I sent a story to you on Shade. Have a look.
Okay, super. I will look at it, Zunaid. So what about Kasim? Does he have an idea?
Yeah. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, very nicely.
Yeah. So that is the point. Just we read in back when we are in a study. When I was in a study, there's the thing for the production of the film. Like we make the series. Like the first the introduction is the just we write the key point, find out the note, the which scene will be come in first, and second like you make series. So like as you write on the screen I saw, so that's make the headline, then the little bit detail, and then more detail, and last finally the conclusive. So like this one, so before we created the video and take a photo and see the videography, first of all we need to point what actually I want, and we are trying to tell.
Yes,
what
absolutely.
is the history. Yeah.
Yes,
so
yes,
that is.
Yeah, Kasim, you are absolutely right. But choose a story. Choose one story. Zunaid, choose a story of a girl growing up, right? So you also have to choose one story, just one small story, and Farouk, for you, I have a assignment, for you cannot choose a story. you have to tell the story of this conference. That is your thing. What happened in the conference? In the donor conference 2020, you created a video and sent to them for using in their conference. They did the conference. It's finished now. So Farooq, I want you to create a video like I created just for you, but that's just a fake video. What I created is a simple video. But Farooq, I want you to create a good 2 to 3 minute video, which basically, says this is how the conference started. These are the points people discussed. This is the outcome or actions they agree to do, and this is the impact, that it's going to create, right? So don't be, just be very nice. Okay, you don't have to be, saying anything, bad about the conference. Say all good things. Just say, this is how it is. It's a good conference. Doing good things. So do a big thing, and we will send that video to these conference guys. Okay, because I think it's a good one that has happened just recently. What do you think, Farooq?
Yes, thank you for the subject you have chosen. Yeah, I'm ready to work on this bit. And yeah, I think it's very interesting, and even there are so much things to let people know what happened in the conference. After seeing your video, my mind is just fighting. Its brain is.
That's really good. That's very good. You can one idea I have is you can even combine the previous video. The previous video you did. Just take small parts of it. Don't take the whole video, right? This is how we contributed to the conference. This is what they did in the conference. This is the outcome of the conference. Something like that, like a 3-part, try it. Now I want to go to Farooq. I know you can do this. You are, you created all those beautiful videos. I want to go to Tofail, and Zunaid has already done it. Abbasi also. So Zunaid, what will you create? Zunaid and Abbasi, what are you going to create? I want you to tell me. What story are you going to tell? Or Zunaid has already told me, right? Zunaid said that thing, it's Tofail. Sorry. Not Zunaid. Tofail, what story would you like to tell? Or Abbasi? Tofail was there. I saw him actually. Maybe Tofail, you need to unmute yourself if you're speaking, and Abbasi, you need to unmute yourself. Let me try and see if I can unmute all of you. Can't do anything. No, maybe they are not able to talk. Anyway, that's okay. I think you guys can decide. But so what should we do, Farooq? Just before I close, Shabnam, are you there? I mean, you're there. I know you've been typing away now. But you are the master of storytelling. Shabnam is like I've done many. She's been writing so many things. I just saw just now. Shabnam, are you there? You are on mute, Shabnam, if you are there. Okay, let's wait for Shabnam because she's been typing a lot of things on WhatsApp group. I hope it's I can send that to you. Anyway, so Farooq, let's decide. You guys play with it. If you have any problems, ask in the WhatsApp group. Yes, you need a laptop. See how you can get hold of a laptop so that you can all share it. Shall we give everybody 2 weeks time, Farooq?
I think it's good idea to give 2 weeks because we have only one computer. We need to borrow this to make the video. Otherwise, it's not gonna be work because I tried with mobile, it didn't work. So when we talk about computer, as we have only one computer, we need to borrow it. And the other things in our internal group, we can discuss with other members what is their choice, what subject they are trying to work on. If maybe if they need any kinds of idea or something else, we can come back to you, WhatsApp you, and write to you. So that would be nice.
I got it. I got it. No, that's I'm okay with that. I'm trying to see. We'll solve this problem of computer, Farooq. We need laptops and computers. So
Sorry, Anis.
yeah. Hey, Shabnam.
Hi, I'm sorry. I'm somewhere a bit removed my text because for a while I couldn't hear what was going on. I don't know if you shared my text.
No, I have not yet shared your text. Your text is, I've seen your text just now. I saw it.
Okay.
But I want you also, to tell the guys are really, excited, Shabnam. They all just told me, like, for example, Zunaid wants to create a story about, a girl who's growing up. Kasim wants to, do a different story. Farooq is going to do a story around, how the conference happened, what Omar School did before the conference, and then what are the actions people committed.
I'll be repeating something, so please forgive me if I'm repeating something that you've already discussed. But I think that the main thing about when we tell a story, like we always have to start with something that is important and meaningful and relevant to us. Because if we don't want to tell the story and it's not personal to us, then we don't do as good a job because it's not something that we're passionate about. And also, I just wrote, like, when we're teaching storytelling or report writing or video making or anything that has to do with a story, you always have to break it down to the most simple question. And so when we tell a story, whatever it is, even if you want to tell your mom a story, or if we want to tell our friend a story, or if we want to tell a news story, we always have to ask the 5 W questions and the 1 H question. And so the questions we have to ask are who, what, where, when, why, and how. And without answering all of these quick questions, our story will always remain incomplete. So I just wanted to share that with you, because when we were teaching how to write a news article in the school in Kutupalong, that's the main tool that we always, anyone, if they're making a movie, writing a book, it's still the same recipe all the time. And then I gave the video, I sent the link of the video to Anis, and it's a very famous Nigerian author, and she's telling this, she's telling a TED talk.
Got it.
The main thing that she's trying to say, and the main thing she's trying to say is that when we tell a story, we must well, people have many things that make, so a person is not just one thing, and a group of people is also not just one thing. So while Rohingya, for example, yes, they are refugees, and yes, they are genocide survivors, but they are mothers and brothers and teachers and writers. And so that's what we have to remember, And when we tell our stories, we also must always remember that a person is never just one thing. Okay. I don't know if that helps at all.
No, Shabnam, it's very good. See, the way I'm trying to do this, Shabnam, I know Farooq and Kasim can also, tell. We start with the most simple thing that people can do. The most simple thing. What is that simple thing? You have a computer that you can access to. If you don't have a computer, that's a little bit of a trouble. But Farooq, you have to make sure that everybody, gets access to a computer. That is your job. And what I will do slowly, once we start working together, make sure that everybody has a computer so that you can create your own stories, not just, Farooq and a few people, but everybody, because I think it's a fundamental requirement to tell, big things. Okay. So that's the number one.
But
Number
I
two,
think, Anis, even before the computer, Anis, before the computer even, we take our pen and our paper, or we take our phone and we answer who, what, where, when,
yes,
why, and how, right at the start. And we have to sit with this for a while, because we must remember that, yes, we will make a film and we will do all of these electronic tools, but at the base of it, we have to write a good story. And how we write a good story is by answering these basic questions. And only then can we make something.
absolutely. No, Shabnam, I was just coming to that actually, because we did exactly that just now. We took a piece of white paper, a notepad, and then we wrote 6 points, simple 6 points, and then we made that into a movie or a story or a video. So that's all we want you to do right now. There are so many good things you can keep on improving. But right now, for the next 2 weeks, you have access to a computer, because without that you can't do this video. You have access to a simple story, a story that you want to tell. Then third, you write that story in bullet points. Okay. Fourth, you choose the right video for each of the bullet points. Sixth, you choose the right music, upload the right photos and videos that you yourself have clicked in your own cameras, and then publish the video and send it across to me. So that is your homework for the next 2 weeks, and each of you know exactly what you need to do.
Anis, can I maybe add to your homework?
Yes.
But mine is not difficult. So my homework is, even because we want to be able to become good storytellers, and becoming a good storyteller is something that we have to work on every day. Every time you hear a story, say you go back home today and your mom or your wife or your friend tells you something, the minute they've told you the story, when you're sitting by yourself, please ask yourself, who, what, where, when, why, how. And so for every interesting story you get told for the next week, stop yourself and ask yourself those 6 questions around the story. And by asking yourself those 6 questions around the story every time you hear a story, you will help yourself to be able to answer those questions faster and faster when you are told a story. So even if Anis goes to the shop today and someone says, "Oh my God, Anis, you know what happened? I saw a falling star last night, and I made a wish." And then when Anis is going back home, Anis has to sit down and think, "Okay, so who told me the story? What was the story? Why did it happen?" And you just keep asking yourself the questions. And this way, we become better storytellers because we answer the important questions. So it's just a way for you to practice. All of us, not just all of us.
No, Shabnam, this is a very important point you've made. It is something that we can practice next time when we meet. We take each one of the stories that the guys have done. Let's say Farooq has done the story on the conference itself. Then we will say, who are these people, right? Where are these people? Where did they meet? Why did they meet? What was the purpose of their meeting? How did the meeting happen? And then what outcomes?
When did the meeting happen?
When did the meeting happen, and what outcomes did they promise is going to happen? So we can literally take each one of your homework, and then you don't have to be precise. Okay, so when you're doing this homework right now, just focus on getting a video out. Don't worry whether it is good, bad, ugly, not good at all, no problem. I want a video to come out of all of you, whether it's good or bad. Okay, number one. Number two, when we meet, in 2 weeks' time, we will do the second level: who, where, when, what, how. We will do that, slowly. Okay, and then we will keep increasing our thing, one by one, and we can, until we all become, Hollywood directors. Okay, that's pretty much it from my side. Farooq, Kasim, Zunaid, Abbasi, I think that's pretty much it. Any other last words from you, Farooq and Kasim?
Yeah, thank you, Shabnam ma'am, for the wonderful ideas and instructions to make a story work. So I would request her to put the comments into our WhatsApp group so that we can have a look when we do the video. I exactly found it very interesting. If we answer to those questions, those WH questions, it automatically fill up
Very good.
the listener and or audience. So that would be very nice. And as she has been working with this storytelling for a long time, would get benefited, would get this wonderful help to guide ourselves via back.
Yeah, absolutely, Farooq. Farooq, you're absolutely right. My only thing, Shabnam, I'm not sure whether you're talking. I'm going to mute you. So, Farooq, Shabnam is an expert. So before you go to an expert, you need to deal with someone like me who's not an expert. So first we do simple things, then we go to expert like Shabnam, right? So my first thing is I want a video in 2 weeks. That's it. Even if it is a good video, bad video, I don't care. I need a video from Lumen 5. So let's do that. And then, we will, all the things she's been posting like anything, Shabnam has sent so many things. I will forward it to you guys, on the main WhatsApp group so that, you have access to all their messages and everything. So we'll meet in 2 weeks, same time, Saturday, 3 p.m. your time. We'll do. Okay?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Kasim.
Yeah, I want to say something as a finally. So I like the Shamnama's words that the 5W1H we call.
Sorry. One second. Kasim, just 1 second. I just muted you by mistake. Can you? Yeah, Kasim, go ahead. Now I can hear you.
Yeah. So I want to add some as a for the reporter. They want to complete a story like the 5W1H that I learned when I was in training for the writing.
Okay.
I worked a few months for the news channel and news reporter. Just you call that one 5 wife and 1 husband. 1 husband has 5 wives. We need to complete that question. We must give the 5 that 6 word answer. Then they automatically the all answer is come together and people make sense and people is clear what is there. So that is very good.
I really like the 5 wives and 1 husband. I'm not sure, other people are.
So that what my teacher taught me was teaching me that one. I remember when Shabana remember me that one. So I remember that. I remember my teacher there.
That's really good. That's very good. Hey, Tofail, I just saw you also joined back. Anything finally that you want to say? We are just closing our call. I will record everything and I put it, for everybody to see. But do you have anything final to say, Tofail? Because Tofail, I don't know why he just joined again just a minute ago. But anyway, that's okay. If there is nothing to say, we can close the call. Yeah.
Is the maybe technical problem, network connection problem? Maybe. Yeah.
But what you are doing, Kasim, your network is very good, and you are there all the time. You have to tell everybody.
His connection is a little bit better than other camp. So maybe my camp is a little bit higher part of the area. So that's why high of the mountain. That's why.
Okay. We have to build a school over there. Then everybody can.
Maybe watchtower we should build.
Yeah. It's really good, guys. Okay, so we will meet on the. Wait a minute. Let me just tell. We'll meet on the 21st of November, 2 weeks from today, at 3 o'clock your time. So until then,
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye, guys. Bye.
Let us all the question and that write down to the group, then it will be better.